Hi, my name is Tara Michaels, and this is my Google Certified Trainer application video, Time for Innovation. So who am I? I am a certified 7 through 12 math teacher, and I also have a math specialist certification. I have taught 11 years at the Odella, which is an online school, and I have been in a technology mentoring position for most of those 11 years. Here are some trainings that I have given on technology and education: WIMBA, NCTM, ETAC, Ohio Council of Teachers in Mathematics, all on different ways to embed technology, different versions of technology into classrooms in general and also math classrooms. And I've also done many trainings in our school and our sister schools on different tools through G Suite or Edpuzzle, Pear Deck, Buzzagilix, other programs that we use. Why do I want to be a Google Certified Trainer? Well, the favorite part of my job is helping teachers find a way to teach a lesson that they don't think is possible. Maybe something that's brick and mortar and they want to bring it to the online classroom. All right, so my lesson today is going to be on embedding Google Drawings into Google Docs. I'm going to pretend you are one of my teachers. So we have done a survey ahead of time, and this is going to be the agenda for the training. We're going to discuss reasons for the training, show some examples, walk through how to embed the drawings into Google Docs, and then determine what lessons you can create using those documents. So, how will this help me or my students? Well, from that technology survey you guys stated earlier, you wanted to find some ways to enable students to have more engaging practice with the content. Well, embedding Google Drawings into the Google Docs is one of the first ways that we are going to cover that does make practice more hands-on for our students. And it also allows them to easily submit these assignments to you for formative grading. Those wonderful exit tickets. So here's an example from an elementary classroom. You can see here the drawing that's embedded there allows students to circle items that can be added to a compost pile. This was a whole unit they did. This was part of the unit, and then a more higher level thinking question at the bottom. What items could they find at home that they could add to the compost pile? A high school geometry example. Here is reflections. And you notice I also embedded a video at the top here, and I'll show you how to do that. All right, so to embed a Google drawing, just click on the Insert and then Drawing. It does allow you have to use these Control-C, Control-X, Control-V to paste them in there, but it allows you to do that. And then you can use the tools to draw over it. Students will also have these same tools. The nice part is you can even add in videos by first putting it into a Google slide and then embedding it into a doc. So think about it. How can you use this to help you and your students?